Okay, good morning. Welcome to
KidMath number 68.
KidMath number 68. So today, instead of moving on to the next section, we're going to do a little bit of review, basically from now until the end of the year, to make sure we're ready to start chapter 15, which is about inequalities with quadratics. So I wanted to go back and review. So the very first thing we studied in quadratics was factoring. So let's just revisit this one. Factor x squared minus 7x minus 30.
So, we know that the sum of the roots is 7, and the product of the roots is negative 30.
Okay.
So 30, I'm doing positive 30, 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, and 5 and 6. These are the factors of 30.
Okay.
So we need to find something that adds up to be 7 and multiplies to be negative 30. We can do 10 times minus 3. 10 times minus 3 works. But the roots are x minus, let's say root 1, times x minus root 2. So we have to do negative on both of them. Which we get x minus 10 times x plus 3.
Okay. All right. So good. So this one, x squared minus 7x minus 30, is x minus 10 times x plus 3. Let's write it up here. Okay. And if we multiply this all out, we're going to get an x squared, we're going to get a minus 10x and a plus 3x, and we're going to get a minus 30. Okay. One nice thing about these factorizations is they help you graph this. If you needed to graph y equals x squared minus 7x minus 30, well, this is the same thing as y equals x minus 10 times x plus 3. And you can see very quickly that the roots that make this 0, the numbers that make this 0 are x equals 10. So let's say that's right there. And x equals minus 3, which maybe is right here. And this is a parabola, right?
Yes.
Does it open upwards or downwards, this parabola? Does it go up like this, or does it go down like that?
Let's see. Well, yeah, it's gonna be an up parabola because the x coefficient isn't negative. The x squared.
The x squared coefficient, right, is positive here.
If it were negative, it would be
Okay.
down.
So we get something, oops, missed.
Big dot theory.
We get something that looks like that. But once you know where the roots are, you know it's either going up or down because you know it's a parabola. The other nice thing is that you can tell that it's negative. You can tell that it's positive here, negative here, and positive here. If I take numbers, let's use this one. If I take numbers bigger than 10,
Let's say 20.
let's say 20. 20 minus 10 is positive. 20 plus 3 is positive, so I get a positive times a positive. If I take numbers in between minus 3 and minus 10, let's just say 0. I get minus 10 times 3, which is negative. If I take numbers less than minus 3, let's just say minus 10.
Right.
Minus 10 is minus 20 times minus 7, which is
It's positive.
positive. So you can start understanding the shape of this pretty easily. So that's why factoring is useful, and I think we probably should review factoring a little bit. Okay, good job.